Good afternoon, students. We are going to start a new chapter today, and the chapter is Cell, the Unit of Life. Right? So, before going into the chapter, we should know what is the content of the chapter. A chapter is we keep him. Right? So, as the name suggests, it is obviously we'll have to talk about the cell. No, cell. Or first part of the lesson, we'll talk about some basic information about the cell. We'll talk about some information like smallest cell, with a cell wall, smallest cell, without a cell wall. Basic information. After that, types of cells, right? Prokaryotic, eukaryotic. Then we have to compare between a plant cell and an animal cell, details about that. After this, the types of cells episode, we have to talk about the contents of a cell. What does a cell consist of, right? When we talk about a cell, obviously cytoplasm, we talk about protoplasm, the various organelles that are present inside the cell, etc. Right? As far as organelles are concerned, each and every organelle, details of right? Either it could be a membrane-bounded organelle or a membrane-less organelle, etc., etc. সেইখিনি details কৰিম, and together with these contents, আৰু এটা বস্তু আছে that is called as the cytoskeleton of a cell, right? How does the skeleton of the cell looks like? It is made up of what, etc., etc. So these are the contents of the cell. So we'll start the chapter. We'll start it with some basic information about the cell. Okay, talking about a cell, no? Cell what we understand, there are three words that always come to our mind. Cell, how will you define a cell? What is a cell? A cell is a
basic unit of life.
Basic unit of life, right? So আমি first এই informations খিনি অকমান লিখি লওঁ. Cell বুলি heading কৰি পেলাই লিখিবা, it is the basic unit of life. Next, it is also considered as the fundamental structural.
Ma'am, it took class 11 or still class 12 or still, ma'am.
Fundamental, structural, and functional unit of life. One, please answer your question.
11.
Yes. Right. So cell, when we talk about, we know that it is said to be the basic unit of life. It is the fundamental, it is the structural, and it could also be considered as the functional unit of life. Ekita words are cell definition to likho. Right. Next is, since we are talking about the cell, we come across a word that is called as cytology. Cytology ki bostu?
Study of cell.
What is cytology? The study of cells. Very good. The study of cell is called as cytology, that branch of science, right? Next, what comes next? The next is the one who has discovered a cell. So, who discovered a cell? Ki jano?
Robert Hooke.
And while we are talking about discovering of a cell, we have to talk about who discovered a dead cell and who discovered a living cell. Because we know, I think it's not the same person, right? H1 man we discovered koise leke?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay, so we talk about Robert Hooke. One second. Robert Hooke kotha ki jano? Discovered the cell. Aru, whenever we are talking about Robert Hooke, another word that we have to often study, that is honeycomb-like structure. Janu no?
Yes, ma'am.
What did he do? He observed slices of key material of cell dekha paisile? What did he study?
Cork.
Cell.
Cork. Very good. He observed slices of cork under a microscope and saw a honeycomb-like structure. right? So what you need to know, discover the cell, cork is a word, next is honeycomb-like structure, a word to জানিব. Next, the cell that he has discovered was a dead cell. So Robert Hooper, Caravan point, just a second. This is the first point. This is the second point, and this is the third point. Right? So the third point is he discovered the dead cell. Together with this information, I was supposed to but the fourth point, he has written a book. Micrographica. This is not very important. Right. So we are talking about that person who has discovered the cell, and now we know that the one who has discovered the cell, obviously he has discovered a dead cell. So the next point of information is who has discovered a living cell. So kar naam likhim ebar? Who discovered a living cell? It's Anton von
Anton
Leeuwenhoek.
von
Yeah,
Leeuwenhoek.
Anton von Leeuwenhoek. So ekhane hol niki likha?
Yes, ma'am.
Ebar apu bol. Okay, bookখন হোৱা নাছিলে চাগে ন? নে ওপৰ লাইনটো হোৱা নাছিলে? Third two. He discovered a dead cell, or the cell he discovered was a dead cell. Our bookখন আছিলে Micrographica. লিখি লোৱা.
important বুলি কৈছিল নেকি আপুনি?
No, not very important. Okay. Next we have Anton von Leeuwenhoek. He discovered living cells. He observed few cells capable of moving, such as bacteria. Another example could be protozoa, etc. So first part of the lesson, we are learning about the contribution of certain workers or scientists, right? So living cell, dead cell, who is discovered, right? So Anton von Leeuwenhoek, a living cell, and how did you know, or why did you think that the cell was living? Because it showed certain types of movements, right? Cell to move that was a living cell. And the cells like bacteria, protozoa, etc. So after Anton von Leeuwenhoek, another scientist, Dujardin. What do you know about Dujardin? নাম শুনিছা নেকি? Right? So the next scientist is Dujardin. Dujardin has discovered a jelly-like substance inside the cell. And etia ami jano ki jelly-like substance inside the cell is called as what? It is called as protoplasm, right? Protoplasm boli koy, cytoplasm boli koy, right? So Dujardin could not give the term protoplasm. Instead, he has used a word that is called as sarcode. It is a question ahe, sarcode term to kune disile. So you have to remember this one and this one. Okay? Can I wrap this part? And don't want to learn information ke musiko paro.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. So Dujardino question is sarcode word to question is pohiba. Next is another scientist, Purkinje. What he know?
Ma'am,
He named
sarcode to মানে exactly protoplasm ne cytoplasm.
protoplasm.
Okay.
Who has given the term protoplasm? It is Purkinje. So jelly-like substance jelly-like substance sarcode. Who has given the term sarcode? Dujardin. And who has given the name or the term protoplasm? It is Purkinje. And since we are talking about the cell, then we have to talk about another person, Robert Brown. Robert Brown kotha ki jana? He was the one who
Discovered nucleus.
he discovered the
Nucleus.
Nucleus.
nucleus. Right? So, worker the scientist will question. So, these are the points that we'll talk about. Next to this, what we need to discuss is something called as a cell theory. Episode. Can I wrap this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Cell, after the cell was discovered, the nucleus got discovered. So they have to say something more about the cell. And so Dujon scientists, they put all the information in the form of the cell theory. So cell theory questions are from MCQ point of view. Mainly to the most commonly asked question is, Kune propose korisile? Kune propose korisile?
One.
The cell theory was proposed by
Swan and Shedden.
Sheldon and Swan. Okay. So cell theory, before discussing the first point that's important is who has proposed it. Proposed it, obviously, names of the two scientists, the question has been asked about who is the botanist and who is the zoologist, right? So botanist or zoologist, specifically, here's the word some plus German and British, right? So we take it a word important. This is also important, and this one is, and obviously, none are too important. Right. Next is, what did the cell theory say? Cell theory কি কৈছিলে? Talked about the cell, right? কি কৈছিলে? Some of the basic points that All living organisms are made up of cells, right? Next is a single cell will always have a single nucleus. Another point of the cell theory was that যিমানবোৰ cells আছে, each and every cell will maintain a connectivity between them. Next is, okay, as we write down, then we can. Okay, proposed by cell theory. Or cell theory কি কৈছিলে? First লিখা, all living beings বা all living organisms are made of cell and their products. Second, there is always a coordination between two or more cells. So যিমানে cells নাথাকক তাহাঁতৰ মাজত এটা connection বা coordination থাকে. Do anyone know what is the link called between two plant cells? দুটা plant cells মাজৰ যোনটো link হয়, সেই linkটোক কি বুলি কওঁ? Or dash is a structure to which two plant cells maintains their connectivity or remains connected.
Plasmodesmata.
Plasmodesmata, very good. Yeah. Third point. All cells are basically similar in structure and metabolism. Each cell is made up of small amount of protoplasm having a nucleus and bounded by cell membrane with or without cell wall. The fifth point was about nucleus. Nucleus of কথা কি কৈছিলে? যে contains genetic material. Second point, the nucleus generally passes from one generation to the other. Right? So So these are the points about, but that was there in the cell theory. So cell theory, obviously when we are talking about a cell, so we have to talk about the cell theory. Cell theory ki koisile. So we had 6 points which the cell theory spoke about, right? It spoke about that each living organism is made up of a cell, right? After cell always they will maintain a coordination. Next is they will be basically similar. Small amount of protoplasm, nucleus, cell membrane protect the cell of থাকিব. And obviously cell will have a nucleus, and nucleus is information that it contains genetic material and it generally passes from one generation to the other. Now the point is, question about what did the cell theory could not explain? Cell theory আমি যেটা পঢ়ি আছো ন কি কি explain কৰিছে তো আমি already দেখাই পালো. We have 6 points, right? So the question that was asked is, what did the cell theory could not explain? কি explain কৰিব পৰা নাই?
Formation of new cells.
Yeah, it could not explain the formation of the new cells or a word that is called as totipotency. I think we understand totipotency. Totipotency মানে কি? এটা cellৰ পৰা আৰু এটা cell হোৱাটোকে, that is called as totipotency. We know that new cells cannot be formed all of a sudden, right? Eta organism all of a sudden eta পটককে নতুন cell eta form কৰিব নোৱাৰে. So if a cell has to be formed, then obviously a previous cell needs to be divided or needs to get divided, and then only the cell will be formed. And that phenomenon, that process is called as or that principle is called as totipotency. So cells বিলাক কেনেকে form কৰে সেই বস্তুটো it could not explain. So what we'll write? The cell theory could not explain how new cells are formed. Aru, a question to the answer, when we are in search of the answer of this question, then we have to talk about the contribution of another scientist. Har kotha? Cells keneke form kore, kopra form kore, kuni koisile? Remember someone called as Rudolf Virchow?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay, we'll talk about it. Eighty portion whole leki. Can I wrap this portion?
অলপ wait করুন।
Okay, please do it.
মেম
Hmm.
মেম আমাক স্কুলত পঢ়াইছে মানে কেইটামান নন নিউক্লিয়েটেড চেলছো আছে মানে কাৰণে এইটো ভুল হয়।
Oh, সেইবোৰতো কৰিম, exceptions of the cell theory.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Gradually আমি in a sequence গৈ আছো ক্লাছটো। If the writing is over, please tell me so that I can proceed. গোটেইখিনি গ'লে নে অকল ওপৰখিনি হৈছে? Next. Right? So Rudolf Virchow, he explained that new cells like keneke form correct from pre-existing cells. And when we are talking about this line, we need to remember something called as omnis cellulae cellula. Right? So omnis cellulae cellula mane ki new cells exist from pre-existing cells. And this is what is called as it is known as law of cell linkage. Right? So omnis cellulae cellula, এইটো point মনত ৰাখিম। এইটো কোনে দিছে the concept? Rudolf Virchow. What is the meaning? That the cells will always exist from or will always be formed from pre-existing cells. And this is also referred to as the law of linkage, cell linkage.
মেম omnis এটো কি আছিল আকৌ এবাৰ ৰিপিট কৰিব নেকি
Omnis, OMNIS, omnis cellulae, CELLULAE, cellula, CELLULA, omnis cellulae cellula.
মেম মানে কি
তাৰ মানে so obviously it is the Indian language নহয় no, so it means that new cells originate from pre-existing cells. So it is a language in which the meaning of the statement is this one. The cells কৰ পৰা originate কৰিছিল? So Virchow কৈছিলে যে he just gave this statement. বুজি পাইছা?
Yes.
So cell theory to এই পইণ্টটো নাছিলে ন যে নিউ সেলস কেনেকে ফর্ম কৰে আৰু সববিলাক পইণ্টস ইনক্লুড কৰি পেলাই যোনটো নতুনকে সেল থিওৰি ফর্ম কৰিছে ইনক্লুডিং দ্য পইণ্ট কল্ড এজ টোটিপোটেন্সি তাক আমি কি বুলি কয় ইট কুড বি কনসিডাৰ্ড এজ দ্য সেল প্ৰিন্সিপল অৰ সেল ডক্ট্ৰিন সেল প্ৰিন্সিপল বুলিও কয় বা সেল ডক্ট্ৰিন বুলিও কয়
The modern cell theory to Virchow is
হা হা
modern cell theory to Virchow
মডার্ন সেল থিওরিটো কি
Rudolf Virchow evolution.
Oh, you can okay, exactly the name of the scientist is not given, ঠিক আছে কিন্তু গোটেইবিলাক
Ma'am.
পইণ্ট ইনক্লুড কৰি পেলাই will have that হা Please say.
আগৰটো ল অফ লিংকেজ আছিল ন omnis cellulae cellula
cell linkage হা হা that is law of cell linkage আৰু গোটেইখিনি পইণ্টস মিলি পেলাই এতিয়া আমি সেলৰ কথা যিমানখিনি জানো this would be considered as a modern cell theory and this was called as the cell principle or cell doctrine ইমান ডিটেইলছত কোৱেশ্চন অহা নাই cell principle cell doctrine এইবিলাক words use নকৰি পেলাই cell theory বুলিয়ে questions বিলাক আহি আছে either it can be from both point of view or from entrance point of view also right next is this over
Yes, ma'am.
okay next is cell theory কোনে দিছে original cell theory কোনটো points নাছিলে and what was added these are the things that we have studied now we'll be talking about exceptions to the cell theory right cell theory খন cell theory যোনখিনি explanation আছে ন
modern cell theory কি লিখালে মাত্ৰ
modern cell theory is also called as cell principle or cell doctrine just দুটা terms
এইটো এই মাত্ৰ আমি সেল থিওৰি পঢ়িছো সেইটো পুৰা
সেইটো তাৰমানে অৰিজিনেল সেল থিওৰিটো তোমাৰ এই যে omnis cellulae is cellulae এই wordটো নাছিলে বা এইটো statement নাছিলে they could not explain how new cells are formed, right? এই বস্তুটো যেতিয়া explain কৰা হৈ গ'ল after Rudolf Virchow has explained that new cells would be originating from pre-existing cells, so cell theory খন অকমান modify হ'লে নাই, this point was also got included, right? So ultimately the new form was considered as a modern cell theory. Right, আৰু cell theory বুলি ক'লে there are so many other explanations also, কিন্তু আমাৰ boardত the point that we need in this course is just this much. ঠিক আছে?
Cell doctrine or cell কি বুলি কয়?
Cell principle. Now, exceptions to the cell theory. Right? So cell theory কিছুমান exceptions, এইখিনিৰ পৰা questions আহে. Cell theory, whenever we talk about exceptions, we generally give stress to one specific point. No, বাকি কিমান 6-7টা point আছিলে cell theory. কিন্তু এটা pointer ওপৰত we give more interest. We talk about the nucleus, right? What did the cell theory say? It said that if it has to be a cell, এটা cellত সদায় এটা nucleus থাকিব. This is what the cell theory said. But obviously, we know certain exceptions, and those would be included in this part, right? কোনবিলাক cells এনেকুৱা কিছুমান examples আছে য'ত নেকি cell, obviously it is a cell, but nucleus থাকিবও পাৰে নাথাকিবও পাৰে, and as far as the number of nucleus is concerned, not necessarily যে এটা nucleus থাকিব. I think you have heard something called as multinucleated or synocytic condition. মনত আছে নে synocytic condition পঢ়িছিলো?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So exceptions বিলাক point wise লিখি আছো. Also like nucleus. Exceptions বিলাক চাই ল'বা. So when we talk about exceptions of the cell theory, right? So point wise লিখিছো কাৰণে ডাঙৰ দেখিছে, but it's not so very long, right? Because what are the exceptions? There are certain cells which do not have a nucleus, and there are certain cells which have more than one nucleus or nucleus nathake, right? So when we talk about cells that does not have a nucleus, obviously prokaryotes are best example, bacteria. Prokaryotes, mature RBC and sieve tube. Prokaryotes we understood. Mature RBC also we understood. What is a sieve tube? Sieve tube কিহৰ part আছিলে?
Vascular system.
Phloem.
It is a part of the phloem, right? I think you remember that phloem and xylem, both of them contain what? Four cells, no? Phloem also চাৰিটা cell আছিলে, xylem also চাৰিটা cell আছিলে. One cell amongst the 4 cells of phloem is obviously sieve tube. Our sieve tube or phloem, what was the function of the sieve tube? Obviously conduction. Okay. Next is Phycomycetes, fungi, Boucheria কি হয়? It is nothing but a yellow-green algae. These are some examples that show multinucleated condition, and obviously fungi, synocytic or multinucleated condition দেখায়. Now talking about this, viroids or prions. Virus, so we understand. Viroids or prions, we have already studied in our previous chapters. Do you remember? Viroids ki, prions
Yes,
ki.
ma'am.
These we have studied under the heading called as what? Subviral particles, right? Subviral particles কিছুমান ভাইৰাছতকে সৰু বুলি কৈছিলো. Subviral is the word that we have used. আৰু এটা ভাইৰাছৰ নিচিনা বস্তু subviral কেতিয়া কম? When গোটেই এটা ভাইৰাছৰ যিমান বিলাক পাৰ্টস থাকিব ন, গোটেই কিটা পাৰ্টৰ যিকোনো এটা পাৰ্ট যদি নাথাকে, then that would be considered as a subviral particle. And we have talked about viroids, prions, etc. We have talked about another one that is called as virusoids, right? আৰু ইয়াৰ পৰা ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কি আছে যে কোনোবা এটা স্পেচিফিক আছিলে যোনে নেকি অকল প্লান্টছত ইনফেক্ট কৰে. Can anyone name that? Infectious নে not infectious সেইটো পঢ়িছিলো. Infectious যদি majority বা maximum কাক ইনফেক্ট কৰে? Obviously exceptions আছে, কিন্তু প্লান্টক অকল ইনফেক্ট কৰা subviral particle-টোৰ নাম কি আছিলে?
Prions.
No. Viroids.
Viroids.
Viroids অকল কি আছিলে যে অকল প্লান্টছকে তাহাঁতে এফেক্ট কৰে and এটা পার্ট নাছিলে কি নাছিলে তাহাঁতৰ protein পার্টটো নাছিলে. And prions also we remember the infectious নে non infectious question আহে, prions are infectious আৰু prions এ যিমানটো disease cause কৰিছিল তাৰ ভিতৰত এটা disease very like frequently asked is কি laughing
Mad
death
cow.
disease. Yeah, mad cow disease, laughing death disease, etc. Right? So এইখিনি information ক'ত পাবা? Biological classification নোটটো চাবা, you'll get it. Can I run?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, last line of কি লিখছে?
Fungi such as Rhizopus is cenocytic. Cenocytic মানে multinucleated.
Hello, ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, fungi মাজত তো অকল Phycomycetes to multinucleated, no?
So Phycomycetes is fungi কি আছিলে? Phycomycetes is a কি primitive class no, সবচে lowest fungi Phycomycetes আছিলে. Phycoespo কি আছিলে? We have talked about those fungi no. অকল multinucleate বুলি তেনেকে ক'ব নোৱাৰা. If you remember fungi যোনটো আমাৰ sexual reproduction আছিলে no, sexual reproduction হ'ব লাগিলে এটা চেলত কি ফৰ্ম কৰিব লাগিব? ডাইক্যাৰিয়নটো ফৰ্ম কৰিবই লাগিব. তাৰমানে fungi বিলাকে কি কৰে যে ডাইক্যাৰিয়ন ফৰ্ম নকৰাকে sexual reproduction নহয়. So যদি ডাইক্যাৰিয়ন ফৰ্ম কৰে in regards to this lesson, তেতিয়াহ'লে সেই চেলটোক চেল বুলি আমি কনসিডাৰে কৰিব নালাগিছিলে. This is just an example to show that cell theory মতে এটা চেলত এটা নিউক্লিয়াছ থাকিব, কিন্তু fungi is an exception. Right?
Yes.
এতিয়া আমি ইনিউক্লিয়েটেড কন্ডিশন যেহেতু কৰিছো, এটা কোয়েশ্চন যদি আহে, suppose which of the following is enucleated? Now full sentence to নিলিখো হা. Which of the following is an enucleated plant cell? এটির উপর question আহিছে, এখানে এটু দি দিছো. For example, first maybe the option could be RBC, second থাকিব পাৰে xylem parenchyma, third could be sieve tube, fourth could be companion cell, etc. So a enucleated examples বিলাক ভালকে পঢ়িবা. Either you are talking about the plant kingdom chapter or you are talking about this, right? Jo pra question আহিব পাৰে. So enucleated বুলি কয়, now since we have just read it, so we know the answer. Answer কি হ'ব? Sieve tube.
Ma'am, enucleated মানে no nucleus, no?
No nucleus. Nucleus নাথাকা সেলটো
Ma'am, RBC তো
question
হ'ব?
কি আহিছে?
Oh, yes.
Question to কি আহিছে?
Oh, yes.
Sorry.
Obviously হ'ব. সেইকাৰণে কুৱেশ্যনটো অকণমান প্ৰপাৰলি পঢ়িব লাগে ন?
Yes.
অকল ইনিউক্লিয়েটেড বুলি শুনিলে প্ৰথমতে RBC আছে, RBC টিক কৰি দিয়া, তাতে গ'ল ন নেগেটিভ মাৰ্কস.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can I rub this?
Yes, ma'am.
So after exceptions of the cell theory, now we'll talk about characteristics of a cell. So cell বুলি লিখি পেলাই characteristics লিখা আছে। First characteristic to আমি কি লিখিব পাৰো? The first line that we have started the class with. Basic, fundamental, right? So since I'm writing it in the form of a note, right? So এখানে গোটেইখিনি লিখিম। So first characteristic is basic, fundamental, functional, structural, unit of life. Unit of life. The second characteristic is, what is the basic medium of a cell? Basic medium of a cell. So basic medium word to thakile, which part of the cell we are talking about? A word to janibo karone moi likhisu. Basic medium of a cell is always the protoplasm. Right? So question ahibo pare, basic medium of a cell ki hoy? Basic medium of a cell, protoplasm. The third characteristic is, as far as chemical composition is concerned, of protoplasm, cytoplasm, periplasm, এইবিলাক words আমি অলপ পিছত clear কৰিম, ঠিক আছে? Is similar in all cells. The fourth characteristic could be the presence or absence of cell wall. So cell hobo lagile, or if you are talking about a cell, that cell might have a cell wall or it might not have a cell wall. It's a very basic thing. I think we understand what we are talking about. Either we are talking about a plant cell or we are talking about an animal cell. Right? So plant cell thakile tat ki thakibo, cell wall khon thakibo. Jodi animal cell hoy, obviously the cell wall would be lacking. The cell is always limited by plasma membrane. Cell wall thakok ba na thakok, plasma membrane kon সদায় থাকিব. The next characteristic would be, each cell has the capacity of regulating the vital process. তার মানে প্রত্যেকটো সেল এটা ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল ইউনিট হয় আর প্রত্যেকটো সেলে যিমানটো ভাইটাল প্রসেস আছে গোটেই প্রসেসবিলাক একেলগে কৰিব পাৰে। So if you are talking about vital process, one could be what? Respiration. So respiration বুলি ক'লে each and every cell respire, right? So that is one of the vital process. Next, if you are talking about a plant cell, then we have to talk about photosynthesis of human cells. Okay, cells bilakot ki থাকিব? Chloroplast থাকিব, তো obviously photosynthesize কৰিব পাৰিব. So these are the vital process that we are talking. যদি এটা cell হয়, cellৰ characteristic কি? It could conduct all the vital process.
Ma'am. Ma'am, limited by plasma membrane মানে কি কৈছে আপুনি?
Limited by plasma membrane মানে boundary. Right? So when we talk about a cell, cell to cell wall থাকিব পাৰে বা নাথাকিবও পাৰে. Right? Cell wall খন কি হয়? Boundary হয় নহয়? So cell wall খন যদি নাথাকে, does that mean it will not have a boundary? Obviously it will have a boundary. So limited word to, it is referring to the boundary of the cell. So cell wall থাকক বা নাথাকক, plasma membrane থাকিবই.
But in a cell which can change its shape, like amoeba, তাতেতো আমি limited বুলি ক'ব নোৱাৰো।
Limited মানে here নহয়, limited to mean কৰিছে যে এটা proper shape and size দিবলে তোমাক কোনে help কৰিছে? Plasma membrane হয়। তাৰ মানে cell যদি হয়, if a structure, you are saying that structure to be a cell, চেল খনৰ কি থাকিব প্লাজমা মেমব্ৰেন থাকিবই লাগিব আউটাৰমোষ্ট লেয়াৰ কি হ'ব প্লাজমা মেমব্ৰেন হ'বই লাগিব মানে plant cell obviously outermost layer to cell wall থাকিব কিন্তু if you are talking about a cell you are not distinguishing between a plant cell or an animal cell so cell wall is limited a cell is limited by plasma membrane right tamale we are talking about the boundary of right in case of amoeba and all those stuff also তাহাঁতৰো এখন boundary থাকে it's different that they can keep on changing এনেও plasma membrane আমি structure পিছত পঢ়িম it is not a rigid structure right fluid mosaic model বুলি এটা word আছে এটা theory আছে শুনিছা নেকি structure of the plasma membrane
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
right so we'll be talking about all those and what we know is plasma membrane খন একদম বিৰাট hard structure এটা নহয় it is fluidic in nature so obviously it can move right কিন্তু cell wall খন কি হয় এটা rigid structure is it clear
last point ever.
each cell has the capacity of regulating the vital process the seventh characteristic could be cell or ki thakibo genetic material present প্ৰত্যেকটো cellৰে কি থাকিব genetic material থাকিব right next is the 8th point process like DNA replication right protein synthesis are seen cell ji cell e নহক এইবিলাক বস্তু universal বুলি consider কৰা হয় next point is cell shows potency
process মানে
ha
regulating vital process মানে
regulating vital process মানে নিজৰ কাম নিজে কৰিব পাৰিব এটা সেলৰ ভিতৰত সব vital process বা metabolism সেইবিলাক নিজে নিজে হৈ থাকে যিকোনো সেলে কোৱা মই এটা এক্সাম্পল দিছিলো respiration is a vital process so এটা সেল যদি আছে সেলটোৱে কি কৰিব পাৰিব respire কৰিব পাৰিব respire কৰা মানে কি সেইবিলাক কিমান বিলাক reactions that occurs inside the cell right so those are considered as vital process either it could be respiration it could be photosynthesis in case of plants etc clear নিজৰ কাম নিজে কৰিব পাৰিব vital process important reactions important process তাৰমানে ultimately we can understand that the cell each cell is almost independent এইটো বস্তু আমি পিছত পঢ়িম I don't know whether you have come across a word called as semi autonomous structure পিছত পঢ়িম আমি in this chapter itself vital process বুজি পালা নাই
yes ma'am
main functions বিলাক ঠিক আছে next we were talking about totipotency now we understand what is totipotency next cell could also be said to be self regulating eketa bostu etu point or etu point another point you can go on writing characteristics of a cell aru cell ki response to stimuli etc so etialoke what we have studied what a cell is right how will you define a cell then something called as a cell theory right agote cell theory ki nasile etia ki asile we have talked about that exceptions of the cell theory and now we are discussing certain characteristics of the cell ekita likhi lua
ma'am point number 9 to bujai diokun
point number 9 shows totipotency মানে কি cell existing or cell
t hoy no totipotency
sorry totipotency yes ha handwriting to your boy nai
f নিচিনা লাগিছিল মই সেইকাৰণে
okay sorry handwriting to বেয়া হৈছে right? So এইখিনি মুছো upper part নে গোটেইখিনি হৈছে?
Full, ma'am.
Whole ma'am.
বল না? Okay. Next heading কৰা parts of a cell. So cell to আমি details যিহেতু পঢ়িব লাগিব, what are the parts of a cell is something that we have studied. So heading কৰি থওঁ। Cellৰ কি part থাকে? When we say about parts of a cell, what are the parts of a cell? কি থাকে cell এটাত? When we talk about parts, we talk about 3 different parts of a cell. Basically divided into 3 parts, right? Eta hol cell covering. And when we are talking about cell covering, কিহৰ কথা কৈ আছো? Cell wall ৰ কথা কৈ আছো? Cell wall only in plant cell. And covering or তলত second to কি আহিব? Cell membrane. So a cell has a cell covering. When we talk about covering, we refer to the cell wall or we are talking about the cell membrane. Right? So this is the first part. Talking about the second part of the cell, আৰু কি থাকিব? Membrane খনৰ তলত
Cytoplasm.
cytoplasm. And then a cell will have a nucleus. So when we talk about parts of a cell, generally a cell is divided into 3 parts: the covering, the cytoplasm, and the nucleus, right? Nucleus or details in this chapter itself, we'll do it little later. We will not write anything about, oh sorry. Nucleus or as I said, details আমি ইয়াত নিলিখো, পিছত লিখিম। Right? Talking about cytoplasm, no? Cytoplasm কি বস্তু? এখন চাৰ্টৰ ফৰ্মত দি দিম, so it will become easier for you. Spelling বোৰ ধৰিব পাৰিছা নাই চাবা দেই। Right? So parts of a cell, broadly a cell is divided into 3 parts or is said to have 3 parts, that is a covering, the cytoplasm and the nucleus, right? Nucleus details later. Talking about the covering, we know we are talking about the cell wall or the cell membrane. Talking about this part called the cytoplasm. So membrane খনৰ ভিতৰত বা covering খনৰ ভিতৰত যোনখিনি liquid বা যোনটো jelly like substance থাকে, সেইটো we have referred to as cytoplasm. And if you talk about cytoplasm, cytoplasm itself contains a lot many things. So cytoplasmত কি থাকিব? Cytoplasmত cytosol থাকিব, cytoplasmত cell organelles থাকিব আৰু cytoplasmত cell inclusions থাকিব. If you are talking about cytosol, that content or that liquid or jelly-like content, it could also be considered as the matrix. Matrix will go over the matrix of a cell. Right? Next, cell organelles, I think we understand. Mitochondria, chloroplast, ribosomes, lysosomes, these are nothing but cell organelles. And we often hear a word that's called as cell inclusions. Cell inclusions মানে কি? এটা cellত obviously covering খন থাকিব, covering খনৰ ভিতৰত cytoplasm কোৱা, protoplasm কোৱা, but according to the definition or the chart, covering খনৰ ভিতৰত কি আছে বুলি কৈছো? Cytoplasm বা jelly like substance আছে। এই jelly like substance তো আমি কিবা কি পাম? কিছুমান cell organelles পাম। Apart from cell organelles আৰু কি থাকে cellত? Okay, আৰু কি থাকে? Cell inclusions থাকে. And when we use the word inclusions, which part or what things we are referring? We are referring to the dead or the non-living part of a cell. substance. এটা চেলৰ ভিতৰত অকল যে লিভিং সাবষ্টেন্স থাকিব নট নেসেসারি নন লিভিং সাবষ্টেন্স বিলাকো থাকে আৰু নন লিভিং সাবষ্টেন্স বিলাকক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ সেল ইনক্লুশনস বুলি কওঁ ওয়ান এক্সাম্পল কুড বি starch grains. Right? এখিলকে ক্লিয়াৰ হৈছে নে নাই? Is the chart clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Cell organelles তলত আমি আৰু অকমান লিখিব লাগিব দেই so please keep space এটা অলপ এখিনি মুছাৰ পিছত লিখি দিম or can I wrap this part?
Yes, ma'am.
নহলে
Yes, ma'am.
এটা কাম কৰব গোটেইখিনি লিখি লোৱা So parts of a cell is divided into three parts, the covering, the cytoplasm and the nucleus. Talking about the cytoplasm, cytoplasm is again divided into three parts, that is, or three types, three parts would be better. Cytosol, the cytosol part, the cell organelles part and the cell inclusion. Cell organelles mean ki the living contents inside the cell organelles and the dead and non-living substance that are present inside the cell would be included under cell inclusion. Cell organelles could be of two types. So cell organelle jot likhisa tar tolot likhiba ha. I will just rub the board and write it again. So cell organelles divided into two types. Either they have a membrane or they do not have a membrane. Membraneless cell organelle or membranous. So তোমালোকে chart খনত যত cell organelles লিখিছা so cell organelles are তলত again membraneless cell organelles and membranous cell organelles. Talking about membraneless cell organelles, examples of বহুত questions ahe. Just name one. Eta naam koa. Give me an example of a membraneless cell organelle.
Ribosome.
Very good. Our ribosome important maximum question ahise. Apart from ribosome, you have another one. Centrosome. Centrosome ki hoy later we'll study. We have something called as nucleosome also, right? Out of the three examples, ribosome. And if you are talking about membranous, no? Either the organelle could have a single membrane or it could be a double membrane cell organelle. Right? Single membrane cell organelles example, double membrane cell organelles are example. Kobo pariba niki?
Single membrane Golgi apparatus
Double
Golgi
membrane plastids.
and double membrane
Double
mitochondria.
membrane is mitochondria. Very good. It could be a plastid, that is chloroplast, right? So double membrane not example dimba mitochondria. And second example could be chloroplast. And if you're talking about single membrane example, endoplasmic reticulum, ER boli likhi thoi disu. Golgi bodies. And third could be lysosomes. Likhi lo. Right? So parts of a cell has or is divided into three parts, the covering, the cytoplasm and the nucleus. Cytoplasm বুলি ক'লে the content of cytoplasm আমি জানিব লাগিব so cytoplasmত কি আছে cytosol বুলি এটা কিছুমান বস্তু এটা পাৰ্টক আমি cytosol বুলি কওঁ right so cytoplasm consists of cytosol cell organelles and cell inclusions so cell organelles কি হয় the living part আৰু cell inclusions কি হয় dead substances inside the cell would be considered as cell inclusions if you are talking about organelles these are the information that you have to remember question ahe that double membrane cell structure to identify kora or single membrane to identify kora or membrane less to identify kora so the chart is very important please read হৈ গল নেকি এখন can I rub
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay now we are going to draw another chart right here next thought আমি আৰু এখন chart লিখিম and this chart that we are going to draw would give you the definition of certain words like protoplasm cytoplasm cytosol এইবিলাক words আমি frequently শুনি থাকো right যদি পটককে question টো আহে what is protoplasm what is protoplast what is cytoplasm right so এইবিলাক questions are definitely you can give a proper definition so I'll just put it in the form of a chart right looking at the chart you will be able to know the different terms right just chart বুলি লিখি পেলাই heading কৰি লিখিবা so what do you do first is you take a cell right a cell টোৰ পৰা cell এটাৰ কি part থাকে cell এটাৰ তিনটা part থাকে না already we have discussed so you take a cell and from that cell what you do is remove the cell wall right if you remove the cell wall what is left so cell eta loisa cell to ki korisa tumi cell wall khon gusai disa so the part that is left is it is protoplast so what is a protoplast a cell in which the cell wall is removed is called as a protoplast so definitions bilak ami yar pora ulai lom next is take the protoplast this time you remove the cell membrane after removing the cell membrane from the protoplast what's left is nothing but the protoplasm so definition likhibo pariba ne nwara what is protoplasm a cell without the cell wall and the cell membrane is called as protoplasm so a protoplasm to thakibo ki it has nucleus aru ki thakibo cytoplasm and cell etar content ki asil covering khon asile cytoplasm asile aru nucleus asile so lahe lahe ami eta part remove kori gosu and then we get certain terms protoplast what is a protoplast we'll be able to define what is a protoplasm also we'll be able to define now taking this protoplasm the next step is you remove the nucleus so protoplasm of the nucleus to gusai dila what is left is called as cytoplasm so what is cytoplasm a cell without the cell wall and the cell membrane and the nucleus is called as cytoplasm is the point understood cytoplasm define koribo pariba nwara this
Ma'am,
cytoplasm please ask
ma'am mane enake likhim no fluid like substance of the cell without the nucleus and protoplasm
yes without the cell wall the cell membrane and the nucleus so cell eta ase suppose etu eta cell ekhon cell wall tar nucleus ase etc tumi cell wall khon gusai dila cell membrane khini gusai dila nucleus to gusai dila ta hatot tumar jikhini bostu thakibo tak ami ki buli kom cytoplasm. So what is cytoplasm? It is a cell without the cell wall, the cell membrane, and the nucleus. Right? এই তিনটা বস্তু সাইটোপ্লাজমত নাই, তেতিয়াহলে সাইটোপ্লাজমত আছে কি? Only the cell organelles. Now you take the cytoplasm and remove the cell organelles. So hey, gel-like substance টোৰ পৰা we এবাৰ কি কৰিলা? Remove the cell organelles. Remove the cell organelles. যদি cell organelles খিনিও গুচাই দিয়া, সেই jelly-like substance এটা আছে, সেই substance খিনিত যদি organelles খিনি আছে, তেতিয়াহলে that jelly would be called as what? Cytoplasm. From that jelly-like substance, if you remove the cell organelles, what you are left with? Only that jelly. Cell organelles ও নাই, একো নাই, তেতিয়াহলে তাক আমি কি বুলি কম? Cytosol. Cytosol is also called as hyaloplasm. So, এখন chart কিহৰ কাৰণে দিছো? Just to have an idea about the terms, right? Protoplasm কি, protoplasm কি, cytoplasm কি, cytosol বা hyaloplasm কি? So, বুজি পাইছা নে কিবা ডাউটস আছে?
মেম সাইটোপ্লাজম পৰা সেল অৰ্গেনেলছ বিলাক গুচাই দিলে সাইটোসোলটো হ'ব নেকি?
Exactly. So, অকল সেই jelly like substance খিনি আছে, jelly like substance খিনি যদি cell organelles বিলাকো included আছে, তেতিয়াহলে সেই jelly like substance বিলাকক আমি কি বুলি কম? Cytoplasm. Cytoplasmৰ পৰা তুমি যদি cell organelles বোৰ remove কৰি দিয়া, তেতিয়াহলে আমাৰ হাতত কি থাকিব? অকল jelly like substance কি থাকিব? সেই অকল jelly like substance devoid of cell organelles would be called as what? Cytosol. বুজি পাইছো?
Yes,
আৰু
ma'am.
কিবা ডাউটস আছে? Okay. So cytosol আৰু এটা নাম hyaloplasm, এই টাৰ্মটো পঢ়িবা। Can I rub the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So after this, you are supposed to know certain points, right? Heading কৰিবাচোন points বুলি আৰু কিছুমান informations আমি পঢ়িম। Some important points. Since we are talking about the cell, আমি কি জানিব লাগিব? The smallest cell. Smallest cell বুলি ক'লে what organism or which organism or which cell is considered as the smallest cell?
Mycoplasma.
Mycoplasma. আৰু যদি question টো আহে, the smallest cell with cell wall or smallest cell without cell wall?
Without cell wall, mycoplasma.
Very good. Or with cell wall?
Ma'am, plant cell hobo niki kiba with cell wall?
Bacteria.
Ma'am, mycoplasma to PPL ho no?
Ha. Right? Size to what question আহিছে দেই? So this is the first point. Second point is about the size of bacteria. It varies from 3 to 5 micromu. And when we talk about bacteria, obviously it has a cell wall. The third point is about the size of human RBC. Fourth, largest cell. Largest cell কি হয়?
Ostrich egg.
Ostrich egg.
অকল ostrich egg বলে নহব. Actually, precisely যদি ক'ব লাগে, it would be an isolated ostrich egg. Okay. কিন্তু questionত ostrich egg বুলি আহিব. So, your answer is correct. Right? So, this is about size. Right? A size of a question আহিছে. Arrange the cell are in ascending order according to their size. So this is a question. So direct answer to আমি লিখিব পাৰিম থাকে instead of giving you the options. Option খিনি নিদিও আমি directly answer টো কৰিম কি কৈছে এইখিনি portion of the question টো আহিছে আমাক কি follow কৰিব দিছে ascending order. So ascending order মতে প্ৰথমতে কি আহিব
Mycoplasma.
Mycoplasma. Very good. Next, bacteria.
Bacteria.
Next, RBC. Next, ostrich egg. Right? So, question to kiho karne dilu so that you have an idea that etu portion of our question sahi.
Ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, isolated ostrich egg মানে কি?
Isolated ostrich egg মানে if you take out or remove the egg from the mother, no? য'ত আছে তাৰ পৰা ওলাই আহে body এটাৰ পৰা ওলাই অহা বস্তুটোক আমি isolated বুলি কওঁ ঠিক আছে living organism টো আছে living organism ৰ পৰা ওলাই আহিছে egg is always isolated.
Okay, ma'am.
Removed from the parent body.
Okay, ma'am.
এইখিনি হ'ল point number 4. Point number 5 লিখা longest cell. Longest cell কি হয়?
Nerve cell.
Nerve cell. Very good. Next, we talk about one shape. Shape of RBC. Did you biconcave? Round. Shape of WBC. What will you call? Amoeboid. Amoeboid বলি কিয় কয়?
Irregular shape থাকা।
Irregular shape.
Yes. Next, if you're talking about a branched cell and an unbranched cell, nerve cell would be an example of a branched cell, and that is long cell. The 8th point could be multi. Okay. Name the largest unicellular plant cell. Largest unicellular plant cell. কি? শুনিছানে? Do you remember something called as the umbrella plant? আমি পঢ়িছিলো,
Yes,
মনত
ma'am.
পৰিছে নেকি?
Yes.
Umbrella plant. Yeah, other name for umbrella plant is umbrella plant is a normal, it's like the common name type, no? Our scientific name too? Acetabularia. Right? Is it over? So what we have studied today is we have started the new chapter called as cell, and we are talking about the introductory part of a cell, no? Introduction Kisman points regarding cell, and we have talked about the parts of a cell, right? I think that's all for today. In the next class, we are going to continue this chapter, and the next topic that we'll be discussing is types of cell, right? Jeta types of cell পঢ়া তেতিয়াহলে obviously we'll be talking about the differences between a prokaryotic cell and a eukaryotic cell. এইখিনি portion লকে যোনখিনিকে আজি কৰিলো কিবা ডাউট আছিল নেকি?
ম্যাম ম্যাম অ্যাসিটাবুলারিয়ার আরটা নাম কি আছিলে?
Umbrella plant.
ওকে ম্যাম।
Okay? আৰু কিবা doubts?
Ma'am, hello ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, totipotency to কৈ দিব নেকি এবাৰ?
Totipotency meaning to no? এটা cell যে আৰু এটা cellৰ পৰা originate কৰে এই phenomenon-টোক totipotency বুলি কয়। কাৰণ মানে এটা যদি নতুন cell form কৰিব লাগে তেতিয়াহলে কি হ'ব? আগতে থকা cell-টো divide কৰিব লাগিব। So নতুনকে cell-টো যে form কৰিছে সেইটো ক'ৰ পৰা form কৰিছে? Pre-existing cell-ৰ পৰা form কৰিছে নাই?
Yes ma'am.
So this phenomenon is called as totipotency. কিবা এটা বস্তু যদি আগতে থকা বস্তুৰ পৰা হৈছে এই phenomenon-টোক আমি totipotency, and this is something that's related with the cell. Totipotent nature of a cell মানে cell-টো সদায় আগতে থকা cell-ৰ পৰাহে হ'ব, নতুনকে cell এটা হ'ব নোৱাৰে। Clear?
Okay ma'am.
Okay. Okay then, I think that's all for today. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
ম্যাম